Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Trading Critique. Today, we're diving into Notcoin, a unique cryptocurrency on the Open Network, or TON blockchain. And here's what makes it special. It combines gaming, mining, and blockchain tech into a tap-to-earn experience. It's simple, easy to get into, and has already reached millions around the world. Notcoin was born out of a Telegram game. Imagine a game where you earn by just tapping your phone screen. Each tap adds coins to your digital wallet. And get this, these aren't just any coins, they're Notcoins, which you can convert into actual cryptocurrency. Let's break down how Notcoin works. The core idea is a tap-to-earn mechanic. Every time you tap on the screen, you're adding a fraction of a Notcoin to your wallet. The more you tap, the more you earn. It's almost like a digital mining process, but here, your fingers do the work instead of a mining rig. There's even an option to buy boosts if you want to ramp up your earnings. Some boosts increase how much you earn per tap, while others enable an auto tapper, which lets you kick back while the app taps for you. So, how do these Notcoins become actual cryptocurrency? Once you've built up a stash of in-game Notcoins, you can convert them to real Not tokens. Every 1,000 in-game Notcoins translates to one Not token. Simple as that. Notcoin runs on the TON blockchain, known for its speed and scalability. This is critical because Notcoin saw explosive growth, reaching up to 35 million users and 6 million daily active players. Thanks to TON, these transactions can handle high volumes, making it fast, cheap, and secure. Notcoin isn't just about solo gameplay, it's social. You can invite friends, join teams, and climb the leaderboards together. And Notcoin's fair distribution model makes it accessible for everyone. All 103 billion Not tokens were released on day one, so there's no special advantage for early insiders. So, where does Notcoin go from here? The team is working on a new tap-to-earn game where you can now earn real Not tokens, not just in-game currency. This is a huge opportunity for new players to dive in and start earning directly. Beyond gaming, Notcoin has big plans for Web3. Soon, companies and projects could sponsor rewards within the game, meaning they'd buy Not tokens to fuel play-to-earn rewards. Imagine businesses sponsoring prizes for players. That could attract tons of new users. Notcoin is also developing Web3 integrations. One of the exciting features coming up is Notcoin Explore, where users earn rewards for discovering new Web3 products. It's part of a broader vision to make blockchain tech accessible and engaging for everyone. So, Notcoin isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's an entry point to the world of crypto, designed to make earning and learning about blockchain easy and fun. If you're new to crypto or just want a low-barrier way to explore it, Notcoin might be the perfect start. Thanks for watching. If you're into crypto trading and want to see more deep dives into the latest projects, don't forget to like, subscribe to Trading Critique, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.